Assalamu alaikum. A person searched and found 3 to 4 types of medicine, and he was cured of vitiligo. The spots disappeared. His skin became more natural. He created a medicine. And the internal organs were healed as a result of drinks, diets and ointments made from natural herbs. This is a photo in a healthy state before. This is a photo during vitiligo. This is a healed photo video. Look, these ointments, searched a lot, Ibn Sina, read a lot of articles, collected vitamins in various natural foods, fruits and vegetables, what to eat, what not to eat. As a result, a diet was created. Vitiligo needs to be treated comprehensively. First is to treat the psychological state. Second is to fast the body for 21 days. During this period all organs are cleansed and renewed. Then as a result of drinking medicinal herbs, all organs of the body, liver, kidneys, large intestine, stomach, pancreatitis, gastritis, are treated. Dieting enriches the body with the necessary vitamins, and 4 types of ointments affect the skin and create healthy skin.
Vitiligo лечится, друзья мои. Vitiligo davolasa bo'ladi. Mana tabiiy malhamlar bilan parhez qilib, giyohli o'tlardan damlamalar ichib, hamma narsa sog'aysa bo'ladi, sog'ayadi. Barchalaringga sog'lik, salomatlik tilayman. Sog' salomat bo'lib, oila bag'rida, jamiyatda emin-erkin yurishlaring nasib aylasin. Sog' salomat bo'linglar, hammalaring sog'ayinglar mana. Hamma narsaning davosi bor, inson o'ziga bog'liq. Inson o'zi xohish iroda bilan sabr toqat qilsa hammasi sog'ayadi. Hozir rasm video qo'yaman, ko'ringlar.